Today I'm going to give you 5 tips to learn how to trade and even execute trades as a broke college student. Hey everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified as soon as a new video hits. So today we're going to talk about learning how to trade and actually branching off into executing that first trade, even if you're a college student, and particularly if you're a broke college student like I was. You know, if you know my bio, I actually tried trading mutual funds back in the mutual fund boom in the mid to late 90s, and I started out putting $50 a month into these mutual funds, and it never worked out. The beauty of low price stocks is you can make it work. Tip number 1 is, listen, as I mentioned, I started out trying to trade mutual funds in the 90s. The internet kind of existed, but there wasn't that much out there. It was Usenet news groups and email lists. I mean, that dates me. Maybe you might have had an IRC chat channel back then, but take advantage of the technology we're in. I mean, I talk about this all the time. I think this is the greatest period in history of mankind. You can learn anything. You can find out about anything. I mean, you're watching a video teaching you how to learn how to trade. This was not accessible to me 25 years ago when I was in college. Use YouTube. We've got hundreds of videos on our channel that are great to learn. Use the Steady Trade podcast. Check out SteadyTrade.com. You can listen to learn how to trade while you're on the treadmill, while you're driving. Maybe you got a job that you don't necessarily have to engage with. You can listen to that podcast. And there's other great podcasts out there. Absorb as much free information as you can. Don't discount the value of all of this out there. Just grind, absorb, live it. Love it. I've been watching stocks since I was in the 4th grade, and if I had the tools that you have today as a college student when I was in college, wow, I wonder what I could have accomplished when I was 22 years old versus 45 years old. Second thing I want you to do is listen. I know everybody wants to make money today. You want to make those trades today. You want to get rich today. Remember, stock trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is something you build over time. But something I want to talk to you about is please pay off debts first. You're going to struggle when you get started. I mean, anybody that tells you that you're going to find instant success in day trading, run away. This is hard. There's a million different things to learn. You have to make mistakes over and over and over again before you learn the lessons, before you build the discipline to make the right decisions. And listen, if you're paying interest, if you've got those debts while you're learning, it's just going to make it that much harder. Absorb the information, study, paper trade, but put that money to work reducing your debt. It lowers your stress, it lowers your burn rate, and it just makes everything easier when you don't have to worry about those debts. And listen, paying interest, it's just throwing money away. It's reducing your buying power, reducing your trading power by giving money to someone else. Third thing, I know I talked about taking time and paying down those debts, but this is the biggest thing, and this goes for anything, okay? If you stumbled across this video because you want to learn to trade, or you want to learn to be an architect, or you want to learn how to be a sculptor, I don't care what it is, start today. One of my favorite sayings is that says, the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago, the second best time is today, okay? Take advantage of your youth, take advantage of today, and start learning. As I mentioned in lesson 1, there's all these resources. There's books. I've got hundreds of trading books. There's educational videos. There's YouTubes. There's podcasts. There's all of this information out there, and the best time to start is today. There's no time like the present, and if you can get that 1% better a day, that is exponentially better. 1% better a day over a year is 3,600% better because you're slowly growing, slowly getting better each and every day. Fourth thing I want you to do is pick a broker that's great for you. With StocksToTrade, we've got what's called Tradier. It's a great low-cost broker. We actually have a deal with them where it's $15 a month for unlimited trades. Remember, if you're getting started, if you're that new trader, expenses matter. Minimize your expenses as much as possible. Tradier is a great choice to get started. And you know what? Robinhood, I know sometimes is portrayed good and bad in the media, but when it comes to just actually pressing buttons, learning the mechanics of trades, Robinhood's a great choice. It's free. There are downsides, there are market orders only, they are sometimes kind of selling off your order flow, but when you're just getting started, getting the mechanics of actually entering a trade, keep your costs as low as possible and look at these discount brokers like Tradier or even Robinhood. Fifth thing I want you to focus on is diversification, okay? If you're young, if you're in college, man, when I was in college, I didn't know what I wanted to do. Pursue different interests. Even today, as a 45-year-old guy, I love to do construction. I love to, I've got rental properties. I do stock market education with StocksToTrade. I trade my own money. I've got multiple sources of income. Be willing to try everything. Be willing to fail. I think that's one of the most important things as a young person that I want to tell to you as an old guy. Be willing to fail. That's important in trading. It's important in business. Pursue your passions, pursue your ideas, and focus on creating as many sources of income as you can. If it's selling affiliate links on Apple, brings in a couple $100 a month, you can drop that in your trading account. If it's doing stuff on Instagram or YouTube, maybe you're doing videos on YouTube that's your hobby. If it brings in a few $100, that's money you can put in your trading account. And if your trading's not going well, it's other income. You got that day job, those side hustles, maybe you're working construction on the side, maybe you got a job in retail. Keep your options open because you never know what could be the next big hit. And it gives you multiple areas to bring in income to help fill up that trading account. The sooner you can get that trading account built up, the sooner you can put that trading knowledge to work and start growing that account and realize the dream of all of us of being that full-time stock trader. So let me know, are you in college? Drop me a comment below. And did you find these topics and these ideas helpful to you as that aspiring stock trader? Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos, and be sure to click the trial below. Check out StocksToTrade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.